How to create an NFT for free on your mobile device. So the first thing you're going to want to do is download, install Metamask, and set up your Metamask wallet. If you don't know how to do that, I'll include a link to that video in the description. So after you have your Metamask wallet set up, you're going to log in. After you get logged in, you'll see something like this. Now what you're going to want to do is go to the browser by clicking those top three buttons at the top. You're going to go to browser, and I already have OpenSea.io typed into my browser. So when you get here on the home page, you may not be able to see this create right here. You may just see explore. Now the reason for this is because you have to actually go to your account. So set up an account first. We've also talked about that in the other video that I'll be linking to you. So you're going to need to go to your profile from here, and you're actually going to need to create a collection. So if you don't have a collection yet, what you're going to want to do is go right here. You're going to go to my collections, and you can see I have one right here. But if you don't have one, you're going to go to create a collection. So after you create a collection, you're just going to put a photo here. It can be any photo. I'm just going to run through it real quick. So of course, when you're designing your collection, you want to make it look pretty. You want to design these photos, but I'm just filling these in for the video. Then you're going to want to name your collection. So after you determine a name, you're going to see right there that is available. So then you're going to create your URL. So there we go. You can put whatever you want. Preferably, you could put the name of your collection there, but I just put that to fill it in. Give it a brief description. So now we are going to add a category. We're just going to go ahead and put art because we're just going to be making digital NFTs out of JPEGs. So now the percentage fee. The percentage fee is what you're going to get every time this is sold. One of your artworks is sold somewhere else. So if a piece gets sold from your collection, this is the fee you're going to receive. If you put too high of a fee, like it says right there, 2.5, you might deter some people from buying your NFTs. So I always try to go really low, go at least 0.45%. Then you're going to need to put your payout wallet address. So to get your payout wallet address, you're just going to go right here to your wallet. You're going to click right there, and then it's copied. And then go back to your browser, put that in right there, hit done. Now on the blockchain, if you want to create NFTs for free, you're going to need to use Polygon. Otherwise, you're going to have to pay to use the Ethereum blockchain. And then on the tokens here, you just want to make sure that you can accept as multiple payments as possible on the Polygon network, and then press create. So now you've created your collection. You can see right there it says created. Now you can add an item. So you can add an item to the collection by clicking right here. And here you go. Now you can create whatever photo you want. So you just choose the photo. So here I just got a picture of Bitcoin. You're going to name it. Include a link if you want. Description 2, because we already had description 1. Properties are something that's sort of important here. This is what I'm going to talk about. You can put levels if you're creating a character, stats if you're creating a character. You can put unlockable content so that if someone purchases this NFT, they can get something like a hidden video or a restricted URL. And then if it's not safe for work, you can also click that one right there to make sure you mark it as explicit content. Choose the supply. Again, choose the blockchain. We've already got Polygon selected. That's how you're going to mint for free. And then we're just going to go ahead and press create. So after you press create, you can just see there, you created the NFT. So there's your NFT. You can copy the link, share it to Twitter, Facebook, whatever you want to do. So now that you've created the NFT, you have to list it for sale. Otherwise, it's just in your collection. Someone can make an offer for it, but it's better to list it for sale. So you just hit sell, then you can put how much ETH you want, or since we put those other coins, you can put if you want to sell it for $20, there you go. Or if you want to sell it for 0.01 ETH, I think it's going to be like 26 bucks, 27 bucks, there you go. Then you can choose how long you want it to be on sale for. You can go up to 1 month. Some sellers can sell for longer, but as a newbie, you can only choose up to 1 month. You can choose when to start and when to end. So then you click out of that and you'll see complete listing. Just go ahead and do that. Sign your message. Now you're going to get this confirmation in your MetaMask wallet. And there you go. You've listed the NFT. Now you created it. It's listed for sale. You did all that for free from a mobile device. Now there is the OpenSea app from the App Store. In my opinion, at this stage in its development, it's completely useless. Literally, all you can do is favorite things and like them on there. It's definitely a huge step forward coming from the decentralized Web 3.0 and getting that onto the App Store, but the functionalities are so limited. Just stay away from OpenSea app right now. If you're trying to be a mobile producer, you're going to need to do this on the Metamask app or through the Metamask browser. So there you go. Created an NFT for free and listed it for free. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.